Start by washing 1 kilo of eggplant in the manner that you see. Dry thoroughly and let's start cutting. We cut the eggplants in a horizontal way at least 1 centimeter thick. We align the pan with butter paper. We put some oil under it to make sure it sticks. Place the eggplant on the tray and sprinkle with salt and olive oil. Mix them well to distribute the oil evenly. Layer the eggplant on the tray. Put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. When done, broil 10 minutes on the top. For making the ground beef, we need 1 medium onion chopped in the manner that you see. When done, place the onion in a preheated frying pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium-high. And now add the spices: salt, black pepper, cinnamon, and nutmeg as desired. Then mix well and saute for around 2 minutes. Now add half a kilo of fine ground meat. Mix well. Try to separate the meat so they become very loose, in the manner that you see. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of red vinegar, a dash of mustard, and if desired, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate sauce. Mix well, then add 1 cup of water. Now our eggplant is done. We take it out of the oven and prepare to layer it. Now our eggplant are soft and they're brownish on the top from broiling. Use a glass cookware or non-toxic pan. We start our layer with a little bit of sauce and then we layer our eggplant. The sauce on the bottom prevents it from burning. We put half of the amount on the top of the eggplant and spread it well. Now we put the second layer of eggplant and top it with sun-dried tomato. If they are salty, make sure you dice them before you spread it on the eggplant. Place the rest of the meat to make the second layer on top. Now grind the Parmesan cheese and spread it evenly in the casserole. Place it in a preheated oven set at temperature 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. When done, broil for 10 minutes on top to get crispy cheese. Eat with whole grain pasta garnished with Parmesan cheese.